Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian, and we got another cool video for you. On today's video, we're just going to be introducing the Konica Bizhub C4050i color multifunction printer. This beautiful printer has been out for quite some time. There's one model above this, but it pretty much looks the same. So we're going to go over the pros, the cons, and why we like this box. It's pretty much a full-size color copier, shrunken down, and it works pretty dang well, and we like this thing. To be honest, we're going to be buying some more of them. So with that said, let's get into the video. All right, first thing we're going to start with is this beautiful 10.1 inch tablet style screen that is very responsive. The most responsive screen I've seen with Konica. You tap a button, no problem, it responds, and you also get that vibration tap that you get on cell phones as well, which is quite nice. This is also packed and loaded with all the software that a regular full-size copier has as well, so there's no difference in a full-size copier and this one is just shrunk down, but it has all the software that you would get in a full-size color machine as well. All right, now let's talk about print speed, copy speed, and printer resolution. The print speed is up to 42 pages per minute in both black and white and in color, which is nice. The copy speed is also 42 pages per minute, matching the print performance, and the print resolution is 1200 by 1200 dpi. Look at that, the color looks fantastic. You can also get the 800 by 600 dpi equivalent for sharp text and graphic, and the copy resolution when you're making a copy is 600 by 600, delivering those clean, accurate reproductions as well. All right, now let's talk about the scanner. It scans up to 45 images per minute single-sided and 90 images per minute double-sided, holds up to 80 originals with dual scan capability and single pass duplex scanning. So it's only going to pass through one time and it will scan the top and the bottom, which is very nice. Let's talk about paper capacity. This comes standard with one tray, but can hold 600 sheets of paper. Nice robust tray here, very sturdy. I really like this tray because we put this machine on some of our trailers and it seems to work perfectly fine. Now the max size you can go up to is A4 in this tray, but have no fear, if you want an additional option, you could put a paper tray, the PFP21, underneath this, and that will give you larger sizes up to legal as well. All right, now let's talk about toner. So the monthly duty cycle for this machine is 120,000 pages. That is a lot. I don't think anybody's going to be doing that many. You should probably get a full-size copier for that. Now here's your toners. For the black toner, we are rated at 13,000 pages, and for the color, 9,000 pages. To replace the toner, you'll just pull on these handles here and pull it right off. It comes out just like so, and then you can just slide it right back in like that. Waste toner's at the bottom. You can pull that off by just lifting these two tabs and it comes out right through the bottom. So 13,000 for black and white, 9,000 for the color. Changing them is quite easy. Make sure you shake that toner before you put it in. Okay, for our memory storage and ports, we got 5 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gig SSD, which is standard, which is nice. You got Ethernet gigabit. You also have your USB 2.0 printing, and you have built-in Wi-Fi as well, the 802.11, so you have wireless functionality and also faxing as well. And you have your mobile printing, AirPrint, Mopria, etc. Next up, we have the manual bypass as well, and you can put your overhead transparencies and thick cardboard paper right in this section. Okay, and the warm-up time is about 13 seconds and about 15 seconds for color, and the first copy out is about 4 seconds from when you press the start button for black and 5 seconds for color. Let's test. 3, 4, 5, 6. About that time. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. The dimensions and the weight. So this thing is 18 by 20 by 22 and approximately 86 pounds. So this thing does weigh quite a lot. All right, now that we've talked over all the specs of what this thing can do, the nice screen, the paper trays, the optional trays, the gigabit Ethernet, the feeder, what are some of the pros and the cons? Now, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. We are buying these machines. We do like them. But there's a little quirks in some of them that we have noticed. One of them them is the software. When you turn the machine off and on, sometimes it gets caught halfway through its loading screen or boot screen, and then you just have to wait about 10-15 minutes, and then it goes ahead and load. Usually after that happens, it starts working fine again, but here and there it might freeze halfway through for whatever reason. We've updated firmware and it still kind of does the same thing, only on some models. Not a deal breaker at all, not too big of an issue. Second thing would be the feeder. I would like this thing to just be a little stronger, a little bit more robust. It hasn't had any issues with the jamming or anything, but it does feel a little plasticky. Especially the glass here just feels a little cheaper than some of the other products. Once again, haven't had any issues with it, but that's just kind of what I noticed as I'm nitpicking this machine. Overall, it's a great machine. We've had it for about a year. Don't see any major issues with it. Sometimes you might get a double-sided jam here on the side. Not too big of a deal to fix. Other than that, the color is fantastic. The machine is nice and heavy, which we like because it just feels really strong. The feeder would be the only thing that we think is just could use some improvement. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and end the video. That was the Konica Bizhub C4050i color multifunction printer with this beautiful 10.1 inch display, something that you can put in your home, in your office, or for us, we use it for some of our customers out and about on their trailers and in their office buildings as well. Oh, and I failed to mention that it also comes with a stand. If you would like, you can put this thing on a stand if you don't want to put it on a table. So use it wherever you need to. Thank you so much for watching. We'll go ahead and end the video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.